Lead generation tutorial. Discover the first part of the tips for success. Lead generation is an important aspect of internet marketing and one of the most essential tools used by online marketers to boost their sales. It has a lot of complexities, but once you grasp it all, it becomes very easy and simple to implement in your business. To help you get started with your lead generation tutorial, here are some tips that will help you with your new venture. First, you will need lots of qualified leads. Qualified means having a relationship with your targeted clients. This means that you have to have developed a good relationship yourself with the people who are looking for a solution to a certain problem that you can provide for them. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the lead generation tutorial part 1. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. You can do this through article writing, phone call, and face-to-face interactions with your targeted leads. The more you have established a good relationship with these leads, the easier and faster it is going to be for you to sell to them your products. Second, when it comes to lead generation tutorials, you will also need to know how to create your own lead generators. There are different types of lead generators available in the market today that you can use for your business. Some are even free. You simply choose the type of generator that you think is suitable for your business and start generating leads right away. Third, with your lead generation efforts, it is always wise to focus on quality rather than quantity. It is very important to generate high-quality leads because these are the ones that can be potentially turned into loyal clients over time. There are many lead generation systems out there that offer low-quality leads that can be very costly to you in the long run. In essence, these leads are not worth much of your time or effort. Fourth, when it comes to leads, don't hesitate to use technology. Technology has made things easier for you in terms of generating leads. You no longer need to use traditional approaches like brochures and direct mail campaigns. You can now take advantage of the power of the internet in order to reach more people. Fifth, when it comes to lead generation, it is also a good idea to have online marketing strategies. This means that you need to have a plan in order to increase the number of customers you gain every day. For example, you can use social media sites like Facebook and Twitter to market your products. But you should also have an online presence on various other websites and forums as well. Through this, you can expose yourself to a larger number of potential clients. Sixth, in the lead generation tutorial, it is also important to learn about lead generation software programs. There are different types of lead generation software programs out there. Some of them are very affordable. Others are a bit pricey. And some are absolutely impossible to use but are being sold because of their low price. Seventh, don't underestimate the power of having a strong advertising campaign. Advertising can bring in thousands of customers just by advertising a little. However, it is not as easy as that. You need to advertise your business everywhere in order for it to be exposed to as many potential customers as possible. Otherwise, you will never earn a profit and that would be a pity. Here's one way of advertising. You can hire street musicians to play at your booth during your trade show events. They will attract people interested in your products and they will certainly talk with them afterward. Or you can leave leaflets behind in the streets. These leaflets contain your contact details as well as the link to your website. If you are running eBay selling, a lead generation tutorial will teach you how to create your own lead database. This database contains all the information about the buyers who came in contact with your product. It will also show you how to follow up with these leads. Once you have their contact information, you can email them or send them snail mail. In fact, you can do practically anything to get to know your potential buyers better. Also, in this lead generation tutorial part 1, you will learn how to choose the right keywords and make sure that these keywords are in the title of your advertisement and on your website. Your ad must be displayed on websites with visitors who are highly targeted by the words you used. You need to generate traffic to your site. In order to do that, you need to attract people to your site who are most likely to buy from you. It does not matter whether you are selling goods or services. Thanks for watching my video about the lead generation tutorial part 1. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.